All right, let's take a look what we got. We ordered some more protein on Lazada. So let's see, it says it came with a free gift. We like free gifts. Cut it off to the side. It came with a free shaker cup. All right, let's open this thing. That'll work. Nice and rusty. Let's set that down. All right, let's see. We got chocolate cream, ultimate whey Prostar, 25 grams of protein, mixes instantly, over 6 grams of branched chain amino acids and low fat. Sounds lovely. What is this? Okay, so I don't think anybody can read that that's listening to me. Let's remove that. So here we see 25 grams of protein. It's got a midget of vitamin A, a little touch of calcium. That's not going to be very great. Better to get calcium from your milk. And we got 2 grams of carbohydrates. That's nice and low. And total fat is also very low. It looks good. Let's see here. Stats don't matter unless the ingredients match. All right. Protein blend. Whey protein isolate as the #1 ingredient. Then you have whey protein concentrate and whey peptides. That is a pretty good combination, giving you slow and fast absorbing proteins. Got a little bit of added potassium. That's pretty good. All right. So let's see how this thing tastes. We'll be right back. We'll get it ready and give this. Oh wait, I forgot about the free gift here. Just throw it off to the side like it doesn't matter. We all know that the free gifts sometimes make a difference. Let's see. It's always nice to get a free gift, make you feel good and special inside. We got a red. Now this, guys and girls, is great. You know why? Well, it's got this little tab here so you can hook it on stuff. And it's a shorter cup, making it much easier to get your hand in there and clean out the dried up and leftover pieces of whatever's in your beverage. Maybe it's powder that didn't dissolve, which should not be the case with this one since it's instantly mixing, but it could be maybe some berries or something, or just dried up leftover bits. So that's a good cup. I like this cup. We will use this cup when we do our sampling. All right, be right back. All right, we have returned. Always wash your cups before you use them. I had a little break. You see there's some suds, evidence of being washed. It has been washed. Let's go ahead and pop this top. We like when it pop tops. Get that off. Throw it down. It's a mess. Make sure you clean it up before your ladies come home, guys and girls, or before your guys come home, depending on how that situation is working out for you. One hand spin. All right. We like that. It's got a seal on it. Whoa, that's a pretty tight seal there. Man. It got shook up. There's powder coming out. A mess. We don't want to see my trash. It's still full. Just sit there aside for a moment. Well, we see it in there. There's the scoop. It just smells like not very strong. Oops, butterfingers. All right, so there's your protein. Looks nice. Looks like a protein is supposed to look. Now we're gonna first test out to see what it's like with this dissolves instantly. That means no spoon required, right? Let's go ahead and just empty out a little bit. Oops. Stuff is slippery. Alright, so let's just do a little bit. Drop it in there, see what happens. A little science experiment going on here. Look at it. That's some pretty cool stuff. Look. It is dissolving and sinking. It's actually got a nice chocolatey layer on top. Alright, so the dissolving test looks pretty cool. Alright, that's pretty nice. Now we'll go ahead and get a scoop here. Fairly full scoop. Alright, good enough for me. We can go ahead and dump this in the cup. Ah, yes. It fits in the cup nicely. By the way, the cup came with this little shaker upper stimulator that I never use because it's just extra junk to clean. Alright, we have a mountain here. Let's grab a spoon real quick. Alright, get the spoon, dunk it in there a couple of times. I mean, that's about as soft of a stir as you could possibly give it, and it's, considering that's a little baby stir, that's pretty good. Let's give it a little sample test. It's not very strong. Let's see here, let's go ahead and we got this actually has a little measurement on the side here, so let's see. We got one scoop. Uh-oh, what was that? Something fell down. Almost 400. Let's put this bad boy on his top on it. Let me see. Well, I thought I wasn't putting it on very good, but this is like a little quarter turn to get the top on there. A little quick shaky. Top to top. There we go. And we're done. At the very bottom, there was a little bit that hadn't shook up, but you saw I barely shook it. And it was not like bubblegum clumpy, so that's good. It's still just like moist. It fell apart easily. So there you go, there you have it. Chocolate cream, it's good enough for me. It works, it's protein, it's what you need after your workouts, before your workouts, before your bedtime, first thing in the morning. Anytime's a good time, grab some protein. All right. Good stuff. Bye-bye. And don't forget, train smart, stay strong.